Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Today we officially start the first type of the secondary med. Med before Hamza. As we mentioned before, this type divided into two types: connected med and disconnected med. Or we can say in Arabic med muttasil and med munfasil. In today's lesson, we'll focus only in the first one, which is med muttasil, or the connected med. Let's go into it. What is med muttasil? Let's understand the meaning first. Before we talk about rules, let's break down the names because it actually tells us everything we need to know. The full name is med wajib muttasil. Let's go word by word. Med. Yes, we have heard this word many times. It means a stretch, especially when using the three med letters. Alif must come after a fatha, waw must come after a dhamma, ya must come after a kasra, exactly. Nothing new here, right? Wajib. This is an Arabic word that means mandatory or obligatory. Just like how prayer is wajib, how fasting Ramadan is wajib, this med is also wajib. This rule of Tajweed is mandatory to follow when reading Quran correctly. So it's not optional, you must apply it. Muttasil. Third word is muttasil. This is the most important part of the name today. Muttasil means connected. But what's connected exactly? It means the med letter and the hamza come after each other in the same word. No break, no separation, no space. Want to see an example? Let's look at this word. Jaa. Do you see it? There is an alif med followed by a hamza within the same word. No separation, no break, no space between them. That's exactly what we mean by connected med. How do we apply med wajib muttasil in recitation? It's actually very simple. Formula is a med letter plus hamza in the same word equal 4 counts. That's it. That's it. And remember, because it's wajib, you are required to stretch it. And you can stretch it 4 beats or 5 beats, doesn't matter. Both are correct. But the important thing is, you must stretch it. Now let's practice the real Quranic examples. Like always, we are not just here to memorize rules. We are here to make reciting the Quran easier, smoother, and more beautiful. So let's dive into some examples and read them together. Repeat after me, feel the med, and stretch it naturally. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wara. Here we have an alif med, which is alif preceded by a fatha, and it's followed by a hamza. So it is a med wajib muttasil. And we know wajib means mandatory, muttasil means connected. And yes, it is connected. It is in the same word, no break, no spaces. Next, afa. The same thing, I'm not gonna repeat myself. Next, sha. Last one here, jaza. Next, su. Here we have a waw med. How it's waw med? It is a waw because no short vowels on it, and it's preceded by a dhamma, and it's followed by a hamza within the same word. So because of that, it is a med wajib muttasil, connected med. And all of them has the same sign of med. If you can notice, it tells you you have to stretch it at least for 4 counts. Next, tabu. لتنوء حنفاء. Next line, فقراء شهداء بلقاء حدائق. And I think this example is a bit special, because if you can notice all of the previous examples, the alif mad was the second last letter, but here it's actually in the middle of the word. So it means it doesn't matter if it's in the middle or the second last, it will always be a mad wajib muttasil. Next, tafi si da'irah. Here we have an alif mad followed by a hamza within the same word, and it's not even the second last. It is maybe in the middle. Yeah, we can say it's in the middle. Next, يتساءلون بطائنها ليسوء. Here, this wow is not the regular wow that we used to know. It's a Uthmani wow or a small wow, and it is the same thing, the same pronunciation, so don't be confused. Next, هاؤم براء. The last tip here, no matter where is the hamza, it's above a wow, it's above ya, it's on the line, it's singular, whatever, hamza is hamza all the time. And just like that, we've finished learning the first type of mad before hamza, mad wajib muttasil. Now you can recognize it easily in the Quran, recite it confidently, and enjoy with a smoother recitation. In the next lesson, we'll move on the next type, mad munfasil, or disconnected mad. And you'll see how it's similar, but it's also a little different. Until then, keep practicing, and may Allah reward your effort in learning Quran. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum. Don't forget to subscribe.